We're up here fishing today, and what we're using basically is just a float, and then the tried and true is a mosquito fly. The fish in here are pretty small, but they are they're really fun to catch. And what we're fishing today for is brook trout, and this is all native brook trout. Got it. Yeah, got it. Very small brook trout. Let him go. Oh, there was a fish. Yeah, there was a fish. Yeah. Sure felt like it. Got him! Yeah! Ooh, good one, good one. Ooh, I might eat that guy. Holy crap, look at that guy. Yep. That's a tasty one there. He's it's small, but we're gonna eat him. Oh my God, it's beautiful. Look at this fish. Holy cow, absolutely gorgeous. Well, we got our brook trout here, and it is a fresh little guy. We're gonna do some salt on him and some pepper. Well, whoa, that's a little bit. That'd be spicy. He's curling up. He's just curling up right there. A little bit. Yeah, can't add too much pepper. Come on now. Trying to get out. There we go. That's good. We'll let her cook. Right now we got some thunder and lightning going on up here. Nothing doesn't look too bad. It's not raining. It's all right. Eat this brook.